Good morning, everybody. Good morning, everybody. I don't know what was up with my voice right there. But yeah, it's about 8 o'clock. Mostly packed up already. Just sitting here letting the tent dry out while I got a chance to, because you got a nice breeze and the sun shining. But yeah, I did like 64 miles yesterday. Y'all seen at the end of the last video. But that makes 2 60+ mile days in a row. And this morning we got about 5-6 miles to get back onto where the Eastern Divide Trail takes a turn, and then we'll be heading towards Lockworth or something, another state park. So yeah, we'll see where we end up today. We'll be leaving here, I don't know, probably about 20 minutes or so. Off to Erie. It's been an awesome ride on this trail, but I would go on to Niagara Falls, but let's turn right there. We'll go on to Niagara Falls and all, but from here to there is 102 miles, so it's a 200-mile round trip to get me back to right here. And with funds as low as it is for me, money-wise right now, and the time of year, smart thing to do is just continue on with my normal plan and start heading south from here. So we're gonna be hopping on that right there, and we'll be heading south until we get to Hancock, Maryland. And then we'll be heading east and then west, southwest. So yeah, really wish I could just keep going on this and finish it up, but it's just going to take more money. Anytime you add miles, it adds days, which is more money. And I just, 200-mile round trip, that's going to take an extra probably 4.5 days. So yep, anyways, it's been a great trip on this. The Empire State Trail and the Erie Canal. The Erie Canal part was my absolute favorite. It's been an awesome ride. But yeah, that's it for now. We'll definitely be coming back at some point and ride this route from Buffalo, Niagara Falls to New York City. Alright, we're on the Genesee Greenway for the next 30 miles. Back to the Eastern Divide Route. up a mountain. Oh, that was steep. Made it to the top though, I think. Now we go over there. We'll be on the Finger Lakes Trail for the next 20 some miles or so. It went hell of a climb, but man, oh man, was it worth it. That trail is just way too much for a loaded bike. Like, it's just so steep. In places, I can barely get my bike up it. So, right there's the trail. I cut down. Yeah, I backtracked and then went up through there, and I'm almost back to it. But I'm going to cut in there, camp, and then I'm taking this road the rest of the way to my friend's house tomorrow. Yeah, I am whooped. Done climbed up Mount Morris twice. Alright, made it back to the trail.